Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to do a few 3x3 walkthrough solves. So I've got 5 scrambles that I'm using, they'll be in the description. And here we go in the first one. So as you may or may not know, I always do orange. And in this case, to do orange cross, I would do this piece and this piece. I would solve it like this, and then this one, and this one. I can just go here and here, like that. Now the first thing I see is these, but I hate doing this, so I'll look a little harder. I see this again, another crappy case, but I also saw this, so I'll go ahead and do this pair, like that. And I also noticed this and this now, so I'm going to go solve this. And I also noticed this pair being formed, so I'll try to preserve it until I can insert it. I've got this now, so I'm going to insert this. And the last pair, can insert it with a sledgehammer to get a better edge orientation. Now OLL and PLL, like that. Okay, now for this one, I'd probably solve this one here, and then the yellow, and then I would do this so you can solve the blue, like that. Now this first thing I noticed is this and this, so I'd go ahead and solve that. And I'd also notice this, so when I take out this pair, it'll make this pair. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that, and I also noticed this, so I'm going to get a 3-move insert, like that, which is quite awesome. Now for the last pair, I'm going to do this to orient all the edges. Now I've got soon. I've got a bar here, so I'll go like this so that it can get like a J berm or something. And I got a V berm. Okay. Well, I did have diagonal swap corners, so I should have figured that out. Okay. Oh, this is a pretty good one. So what I would do is I would bring these two down so they match up with the blue and green. And I can do like a FB move like that. Bring it down like that. Like that. Now I've got two things. I see this and this. I'll do this one first, and then I'll go and do the other one after. So I insert this. And I also notice this, so I'm going to do that one after this. Got corner and edge here. And now to do this pair, I'm going to take out the edge like this so that I can orient all the edges. So basically replace both unoriented edges, like that. Now this, I would do the COL, but I don't really do it often for two-handed solving. And I noticed that I'll probably get an A perm if I do this Alex, so I'll do this, and I got an A perm, so A perms are pretty good, like that. Okay, this is pretty good as well. So I would go and solve this piece like that with a B move, and then I'll bring this up, and then I'll solve this one like that. Now I see the blue here. I could just do this, but instead I'll go like this so that I can orient this edge. Next thing I see is this corner and this edge. Now I see this and this, so I'll solve this and this. OLL and F perm. Now for the final solve. Okay, so for this I would do this to move this one in here. I go solve this, and this. And then I would do a D move and solve this piece. Meanwhile, I see this pair, so I'm gonna know to solve it right after here. And I also noticed this, so I'm gonna get a 3-move insert here. And this thing on the back, this edge is solved. So I'm gonna go like this, keyhole, insert it here. And now I'm gonna get a pretty easy last slot. Like this and this. Oh wait, no, just anti-seam and G perm. So I'll align the block and take out the pair like that. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.